So I'm sitting on a rock waiting for my friends. They're taking a really long time. Hurry up! It's so cute!
God, it's so adorable!
Are we waiting for them?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yep.
Ugh. Oh my gosh. I'm so sweaty already.
That's why I put it right there.
I mean, I don't really care if my phone gets wet. I just don't
It's
want
not gonna get wet.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Wow. Wow. Left side. Can I do it without using my legs? Left side. Who is she? Who is wow. she? Wow.
Give it to me now.
No.
Fine, you can fucking walk home.
We have your car keys.
Yeah, but
I feel kind of bad for you. She's gonna be fine.
And you go outside.
Come on this time.
Good job, man.
Wait, Connie, don't fuck with the rope.
I'm not gonna fuck with the rope.
You just now go on the left side.
Are you kidding me?
That was super easy.
Aren't you? Yeah.
You're so annoying.
Wait, I'm coming!
Come on!
Who do you think you are?
Shut the fuck up. You're so annoying, honestly. I know, it's super easy.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna use your opening code too. Alright, right here. For the boys.
Well, the boy.
For the boys. What? Honestly, imagine sending that.
Wait.
What did she say?
I just saw the cutest little something.
I can send you. Can I be a selfie? What is it?
This is not fun with a bag.
Yeah, I know.
No, I'm good. Please. Where am I? I have no idea how I got up here. I don't know how I'm gonna get back down. This is my life now. I'm stuck up here. At least I have my shampoo, you know. Flower neck. Mmm. So good. So good. know how I'm gonna do this. Say hi! Rappel time!
Hey, are you coming often? Hi.
Hi!
Fuck you. Go first.
First, all in the hands. All in the hands.
I've thought about becoming a stripper a few times.
You should. I joined CU.
Really?
Yeah, I'll kick that butt.
Okay.
Honestly, do it. Do it.
I'm not gonna, dude. It's like a half a foot deep.
No, dude, it's pussy shit.
Bro, I'm full on. Bro, what if you just slide down there?
Do it. Let's see it.
Oh, water.
Oh, what?
Oh my god! Fucking Clyde, I'll fucking kill you.
This is Megan McHale. Take one. This is really intense right here. See this? That is what happens when you don't fucking pay attention. Sorry for swearing, kids. This is just the real deal right here.
Are you doing commentary?
No. She's almost there. Here, I'm gonna throw the phone. Ready? 3, 2. I'll see you later, kids.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just bored. Well, I finished my hike. I don't know where everyone else is. I'll just wait like this then. It's okay.